Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the voicemail and your greeting and messages, all of that stuff on your iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. The first thing I would highly recommend doing is opening up the Settings app on your iPhone. Let's check to make sure if you've just gotten this iPhone that everything is set up correctly. Let's tap on the cellular option here. And from here, let's scroll down until you get to your eSIM. Make sure it says your phone number, and that's the correct phone number. And turn on this line is turned on. This will essentially make sure the plan is up and running. And then swipe down from the top right to make sure it says your carrier at the very top here, indicating that you do have a good plan and everything is working with it. Now, let's set up that voicemail. Let's open up the phone app, and you'll be able to see at the very bottom right is voicemail. When you tap on that for the very first time, you'll see a screen that looks like this. It will say to retrieve a voicemail, first set a password and a greeting, and it will say set up now. So then you just tap on the Set Up Now button, and after you've done that, it will say, all right, enter in a voicemail password. Don't worry, if you don't know this voicemail password or you've set it up and forgotten it, I'll show you how to reset it as well. So go through that process, and then you'll see a blank screen. The first thing that you might want to do is tap on Greeting at the top right. After you've done that, you can see it might be set to the default greeting. This is just where kind of a robot says, leave a message at this number. Or you can hit custom here, and I can hit play and listen to my voicemail greeting. Or if I don't like that, I can hit record. And just like that, while I'm tapping that record, you can see it says recording, and it's recording my voice. And you can say something like, hey, this is Trevor, leave a message and I'll get back to you, whatever your name is, all that stuff. When you're ready to go, just hit the stop button. Now, you can hit the play button if you want to play back and see if you like it. And if you don't like it, that's perfectly fine. You can just hit record and record it again. So you can go through this process as many times as you want to just re-record it. When you're ready to go, hit the check mark at the very top right. However, after you've done that, I would highly recommend going into your settings and turning on a couple of features that will enhance or improve that voicemail. So let's go back to the beginning of your settings, and let's scroll to the very bottom, tap on Apps, and then scroll down again until you get to the Phone section. So there it is, tap on Phone. And from here, we're going to do a couple things. Let's scroll down, and you can see as you scroll down, you can see live voicemail. View a transcript of incoming voicemail and answer the call before it ends. This is a brand new feature, and keep in mind, this will allow you to see as someone's leaving a voicemail, it'll write out what they're saying. And if you think to yourself, I don't know that number, but they start to leave a message and you're like, hey, I do know that person, you'll be able to see that and pick it up immediately. You can also scroll down from here and you can see, as I said before, change voicemail password. So all you need to do if you forget your voicemail password is to tap on it here and enter in a new one. It's perfectly easy to do that and it will reset it. Now, if you don't see this or your voicemail isn't working, there is a way to just access your old school voicemail just by calling into your voicemail. To do that, instead of voicemail, we can tap on keypad here, and we're going to press and hold on the 1. You can see it says calling voicemail. I don't know why it says Georgia here. I'm in North Carolina, but disregard that. It essentially calls my voicemail, and then I can listen to it. It might ask me for that passcode, the voicemail passcode that you just set, and then just enter that in, and you can listen to them, you can delete them, all of that stuff. Another thing you can do in voicemail is if you get that voicemail, here you can just tap on it. You can see in this case, I got a voicemail from this phone number. I can hit the play button to listen to it. I can also see a transcript of it, which sometimes works great, sometimes not as great, but you'll be able to see a transcript if you just wanted to read that voicemail instead. And now when you're done with it, you can hit the call button at the very top right if you want to call them back. Or you can hit the trash can icon, and just like by doing that, oh, didn't seem to really work. Let's swipe to the left and hit trash can. You'll be able to see it removes that voicemail. Now, if I tap on voicemail, it will be completely gone. You won't see any of those voicemails anymore. Keep in mind, again, this works specifically with different carriers, AT&T, Verizon, Sprint, T-Mobile. It might work a little bit differently, but generally these work on any iPhone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.